Hey everyone, my name is Chris, and this is day one of me learning Figma and designing a music app. So I'm currently going through the UX design Google certificate right now, and I'm kind of a little over halfway done with it. And this is basically um, my example wireframe here. So I'm just gonna walk you through the steps. I've already skipped through a lot of this stuff, so this is just like more into what like wireframes and just what the users are looking for, what the pain points are, and everything. And this is just my experience from using apps such as Apple Music and Spotify. And this app is heavily inspired by Spotify, so it's nothing. It's not any copyrighted material or anything. So let's get started. Go ahead and start this here. This is basically a test in my class where it tells you to just set up the wireframe. So you can actually click anywhere outside of this window to see where the highlighted spots are, see where to click. So welcome to my wireframe. To begin the test, simply press the left and right arrow keys to move forward. To test the buttons, click anywhere on the blank side outside of the phone to highlight what to click on and enjoy. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Disclaimer, this is not finished. So what we have here is the introduction page. Welcome to app name. Haven't decided on a name yet. Um, you can see here at the top, we have the just the accessibility button here. Click on it. You can enable dark mode. Haven't been able to implement that yet. Still learning that process. But if you click on it, the screen will turn black. So we'll go back. What we can do here is we can create an account. Your journey to something new starts here. Sounds pretty cheesy, but I think this will catch some people's eyes, maybe. But still work in progress. Yeah, you can enter your username, password. If you already have an account, you can click here. So once you click that, it'll take you to this landing page dashboard. Excuse me. And put an example name here. So when you get to the dashboard, you can see what was recently played, what bands you listen to, um, what the most rated bands that you listen to, the most commented, and everything like that. Um, so we're gonna go up here. We can click on your profile. And here we have like a landing page where you can go to whatever page you want: library, connections, podcasts, playlists, artists, and home. You can click home, brings you back here. Go to connections. If you go to connections, you can basically just share any song to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Discord, anything like that. Haven't been able to implement this just yet. You click log out, it logs you back in, back out. You click sign in, signs you back in. Once you click on most rated, commented, or most played or recently played, it'll bring you to the main page of where the song is, the album artwork, band name, and everything. To show you the album and the song, you have a share button here where you can actually share to your connections. Um, Also, if you notice here, you have a play button. You can go backwards, go forwards. You can comment and rate. So comment and rate will take you to the same window. So here's the ratings. This is really interesting because what I've noticed from Spotify is that there's no way to rate your songs. For listeners to rate your songs, I would say out of 5 stars. No way to really comment on a song. I know in the future they might be implementing that for podcasts, but for songs, I think that would be a great way to provide feedbacks for certain, singles, EPs that come out. Um, so obviously, you don't want bad comments. So any very rude comments can be filtered out by the system and everything like that. So um, yep. So you click on similarly rated songs or albums or bands. You can click down here, take you back to this, take you back to this screen. Yeah. So this is just a basic idea of what I want to go through right now. I appreciate you guys listening to this on my journey. I'm going through just going through another job search right now. So if anyone sees this, please feel free to comment, provide some feedback, give me some more resources. I would love to hear it. Um, any leads to what I can improve, any good videos or anything like that, so I can watch, any design inputs, any just yeah, just insights on what I can do better to further my job search. That would be awesome. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.